So I feel like I'm so mean because obviously Bronte, the female budgie, she's really want to build the nest, but I decided not to provide both of them a nest because this is winter. Ideally, I want them to start breeding when they are probably over a year, but well, they're 11 months old, but I don't want them to breed in winter. So with the cycle, better to let them breathe in spring. So anyway, so she's been trying to come up, but you know, she's been scattering all the black wood chips in the pot. Try to build the nest. Anyway, that's the update for today.